fit method on SVC from sklearn. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So that intro was a mouthful. So alright, so we're finally to the point we're actually going to be looking at the fit method. So basically we're going to be looking to train fitting a boundary in between for our classifier. There we go. So really kind of trying to work on, and we're going to begin to talk about why fit is the word. I don't want to say too much, but we're going to do a video just topic based, probably the next video talking about that. So just a little bit of foreshadowing. But hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So what in the world does fit do? It takes in training data. So we created our classifier. So in the last video, we brought in SK, SVM, SVC. We created that object. So now this method on this object, so we're then going to be changing. And if we look at this, it returns a fitted estimator. So this is why we are not assigning this. This is converting itself. This is why this is standing alone. We are changing this object with this data. Now I also want to show you what I have changed a little bit. So I took our data set and we're just looking at the first 100 flowers, and we're looking at all four columns of the data. And then we are taking our classifier, our type of flower. It was index 0, 1, and 2. Either index 0, 1, or 2. And right now we're just looking at the first two flowers because we're only looking at the first 100. Then I took that, passed that in. So we've sliced our data, but then I reran it through our train test split function. Then I'm running this through here. In next video, we're going to look at we may be talking about fit and fitting. So actually, okay, in the following video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at the predict and then how in the world to test. So we also need to look at another module that is sitting out there about how to then basically compare and contrast the training data with the test data. So we're going to compare and be like, how are we lining up? How are the results lining up from our train data with our test data? So, all right, I know this subject matter can be very overwhelming, but again, that's why we're doing these in very small, bite-sized pieces. Now, and again, just want to look at this. So if this took me a while to really wrap my head around. So we're creating this object, then we're augmenting this object. We're training it. We are using the fit method to adjust our classifier object. Then we're going to be creating a predict off of this. So I guess we can look at this. Let's just do a little bit. So we have dir. We can look at our next video, cfl dot predict. Oh, that's help. clf dot predict. There we go. And we're going to be using this next, which then, there we go. We've seen this math before. So there we go, guys. All right, real quick video today. If you've not jumped over to the Discord server, make sure you're doing that right now. so you can have any of the questions you need answered. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests down below if you don't want to jump over to the server. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.